Oh yeah, so today isn't the best weather for going camping, but we are heading off to Salisbury Camping and Caravan Club site. The weather's rubbish, but we're going anyway. Has stopped. We are 39 minutes away from our campsite. We're going to a camping and caravan one today.
Max, stop it.
We are going to a camping and caravan. It's our first one. We've never done a camping and caravan, so we're not sure what to expect. We fear our pitch may be a little bit small to put our awning up properly, but we think we'll be able to get it up somehow. It might need to be attached to the van. And we have absolutely nothing planned. No time scale, no time limits. Don't have to be anywhere at any certain time.
Apart from Max to get swimming.
But there's no certain time.
We've not
nothing booked, you can't book. So we are really, this is going to be all about slow pace. Rushing around.
It's going to be like snails. Going very slowly. I do what we want to do.
When you want to do it.
No walking up mountains.
No bikes. No. Yeah, so 40 minutes away.
Leisurely breakfast.
That's still 40 minutes away. It's now gone up to 2:05 our route.
Have a leisurely breakfast.
Leisurely breakfast tomorrow. Leisurely, we're only away for 2 nights. Leisurely 48 hours. So we will see you when we get there.
Au revoir.
Welcome to Salisbury. We are at the Caravan and Camping Club in Salisbury, a mile or two from the town centre, from the city centre should I say. We've got a pitch, smaller pitch than we're used to, but they're letting us park the other way here, which is good, so we can park along there. We're going to put the van, put the awning out, sort of, you'll see it. Bit breezy at the moment, but it's going to brighten up, so we're going to use this cooler time to do all the hard work. Let's get the awning up. So we are here, we are set up at Salisbury Camping and Caravan Club site. Quite peaceful, the sun's come out now. We thought it was going to rain earlier, but it hasn't. We have set up our awning, which is looking good. And we're going to go for a little walk around now just to see what's in the very, very near vicinity, because we're not going too far. So far, campsite's good, toilet's good. Pitch is quite small, so we've had to set up a different way, and I'll show you a little clip of how we've set up, but it's alright, it's good. They're not as rigid here about which way you park and stuff like that as they are at the Caravan and Motorhome Club, so we've had a bit of flexibility. We can still use our awning because we've just parked the other way around, which you'll see, so yeah, liking it so far. We've just come down to this pub. It's about a 15-minute walk from the campsite. A couple of drinks, very nice beer garden. It's a Harvester. We're coming here for tea tomorrow night, but it's fine. 15 minutes from the campsite on a walk, and we get a lovely view that you can't really see of the cathedral ahead of us, which I'll try and show you in a minute, but if I don't, I'm sorry. Yeah, Harvester. So we're going back to the campsite now for pizza. and we may do a quick 2-minute video on how amazing it is and how easy it is, so we'll see you back at the van.
Do you want to see a bunny hop on my scooter? I'm gonna go.
Beautiful evening here at the campsite. It's hard to look at the sun. It's glorious. Really, really nice. So we're back at the campsite after that short walk from the pub. We are now going to do pizza. 2 pizzas to do. We may only do one of them. We'll see. We've got salad to go with it, and some dips and crisps and stuff like that. So it's going to be good. And we might do play some games a bit later on.
What should I do?
We might play some games a bit later on, and but we may just sit out and enjoy the evening, because if this sun stays this warm for the next hour or two, it's going to be gorgeous. So we just found the fridge has been off for a few hours, but everything's fine. So we're going to do pizza outside, a Kadak stove, the round one, the Kadak Safari Chef 2, or the Kadak 30 I think it's called now. Pepperoni pizza, salad, crisps and dips. And it went perfectly last time, so I have no hesitation that it's going to go perfectly this time. It's going to be brilliant. That's it, 8 minutes. We should be pretty good. Pizza's done. Max loves it. I'm a little bit disappointed because I don't think it's as good as last time, because Suzanne pointed out that I'd left the heat on too high, which meant that it couldn't go on for probably quite as long as it should have done, and the bottom's not quite as crispy, but still really good. We've got dips, we've got salad. Where's my hand? Salad here, crisps, dips, drinks obviously, in our morning. So good times, good times. We are enjoying pizza and a beautiful, sorry I've got still hitting my teeth, beautiful sunset, and it's been, look at that, it's like a picture postcard. We've done exactly what we said we were going to do, haven't we? We haven't rushed around.
No.
So we have done exactly what we said we'd do. We got here, we did a video for the awning, which you've probably already seen if you're watching the channel regularly. And we've just done nothing. We've had a really chilled afternoon. We've wandered up the road. We are now enjoying a beautiful sunset through the what do they call the
Awning windows?
Yeah, it's like a picture. What do they call the windows? Picture window? I think it's just a picture window. Like the picture window that is, I mean that's behind me, but the sunset is over there. Look at that, it's beautiful. So it's been really chilled, and we're going to have games I think after dinner, and carry on being chilled, so stay tuned.
That's what I said.
I don't know why you don't like this.
What I don't like?
This.
It is, oh it's getting late, 9:30. We had our pizza as you saw, it was lovely. We are now playing games, and we are playing a game called Lingo.
Amazing game.
It's really good fun, isn't it?
I think you've mentioned that before.
I might have done. And if you have a look at the board, so basically
Sit down.
in this game we can pick the first letter, and then we have to guess the next letters, and we get these coloured squares if we get it right or wrong, or it's in the wrong place. So pretty good game.
4-letter word.
We've done 4-letter words, we're now on 5-letter words.
Hadn't got a 4-letter word, now we're all having got a 5-letter word, and then we're doing 6-letter word. And so far, Rich is the only one. Oh no, I got my word right, did I?
Yes, you got your first one after 5
Yeah.
goes. I just got my last 5-letter word after 2 goes.
2
I am
goes.
king.
I'm losing.
And Max played a good prank on Mummy, telling her she got it. She was cheering, and then he told her he got it wrong. Anyway, we're going to carry on.
Take down, mummy.
So there we go, the end of our first day of this short 2-day trip. Coming up tomorrow, we are heading into Salisbury to have a look around the city there. You see some more of the campsite, and we are having eggy bread and sausages for breakfast. So we'll show you how we do that as well. So thanks for watching today. We'll see you in the morning.